Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make mini burritos. First, gather your ingredients: small tortillas, cooked ground meat, shredded cheese, and refried beans. Warming the tortillas slightly in the microwave for about 15 seconds makes them much more pliable and prevents tearing. This simple preparation ensures a smooth and easy assembly process for your delicious mini burritos. Now, let's assemble. Lay a warm tortilla flat. Spoon about 1 tablespoon of your chosen filling, like seasoned meat and beans, slightly off-center. Add a sprinkle of cheese. Fold in the 2 opposite sides of the tortilla, then roll it up tightly from the bottom. This technique keeps all the delicious ingredients securely inside, preventing any messy spills. Once assembled, it's time to cook them to perfection. You can bake your mini burritos at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes, or until golden. Alternatively, air frying at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 minutes yields a wonderfully crispy exterior. For a quick option, pan fry them in a lightly oiled skillet until they are golden brown on all sides. Your mini burritos are ready to enjoy. Serve them warm with salsa, guacamole, or sour cream for an extra burst of flavor. If you have any leftovers, simply store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days, or freeze them for longer. They reheat beautifully in the microwave or oven. Also, for those looking to improve their financial well-being, check out the description for a link to the simple path to wealth and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.